Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we are unboxing my friend Ray's brand new helmet, so stick around. Okay, so he literally just got this package right now, came all the way to my house. He hasn't opened it, it's still sealed, so let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Okay, so this is my friend's brand new AGV helmet. This is the K5 AGV Thorn graphic, which is the Valentino Rossi replica graphic in matte black. So we're gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Super excited. Okay, so this is my first hands-on experience with an AGV, so bear with me. We're going to look at some of the features, so let's jump right into it. First off, we've got the vents in the chin, which is operated by a little switch. You put your finger right underneath the chin skirt, and that operates the vents right at the front. Very cool. Then at the top, you've got your top vent, very easy to operate. Then very stealthily, you've got these brow vents, which slide back. Even more ventilation. This thing's packed with ventilation. Right at the back, you've got your exhaust vent, which slides open and close like such, which is going to draw that air out as it pulls through the helmet. Very, very cool. If we look at the interior, it's kind of this suede Alcantara-like texture. Very, very nice. Looks very, very comfortable interior. And then you've got your drop-down sun visor, which is operated with the switch on the side. Very cool. So if the ventilation wasn't already enough, you've got a nifty little feature right on the chin. You've got this little tab which cracks your visor just out open ever so slightly, letting in more air, which is fantastic. And then with the whole pack, AGV includes these little extra brackets which you can replace within your visor system, which has got different teeth on it, which allows you to place your visor position in different positions. So you can set it the way you like. Very, very cool. Good. Also included with the helmet in the box, you've got your pin lock system. So the visor is already fitted with a pin lock system, which is fantastic, and they include the actual pin lock insert inside your box. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop this on my head and see what the fit is like. Okay, so just right off the bat, a few things I like about this helmet. You notice it's super light. It's extremely light when you pick it up, so it feels great on your head. The interior, it's so soft. It smells like a new car. Obviously, because it's a brand new helmet. Also, what I mentioned on my previous helmet unboxing, the Shark helmet that I have, I always love a drop-down sun visor, which is fantastic. And then for all the Valentino Rossi fans, the 46 graphic on this, I mean, the design is fantastic. I love it. I love the way it looks. And that is it. So there you go, guys. We love this helmet. Fantastic unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, remember, hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel for more to come. And then until next time, I'll see ya.